So the market is reacting today. There's few stocks hit our support and jump like crazy because this is a price value for those stocks. So let's build our strategy where the insider will buy and where the selling pressure and the short seller will come, so we sell with them. So let's get right to it and discuss those 5 stocks that we're gonna have to talk about today. First off, we have BOIL. The price jumped crazy down yesterday and today because we have some kind of bad news regarding fundamental. However, today in the pre-market we talked about it, and what we said, we gonna have a reversal around the 98, and that's what happened here. And around the 98 we said this is important support to hold and see explosion for the price because it's a price value for our stock BOIL. And if we go here, we you see what's happened. The first hour and the second hour we have 2 green candle because we visited this support. If we go in big picture, why we said the support? Because we entered a bullish channel here, and the moment that we test the channel from below, it triggered massive institution buying, and that's why we jumped 11% or 13% the moment that we test this support. Nice trade for our 100 and Patreon, and that's why we saw even 15%. So what we should expect, holding this support, this will confirm the price value for our stock, and we'll consolidate until the squeeze area around the 142. If we overcome the 142, we're gonna have kind of 2 level of taking profit, 170 and 240. The next one is IMPP as well. We talked about in our today pre-market and yesterday, and what we said before, we said the resistance is the 0.62. If we overcome it, we're gonna have a first test for the 0.48, and guess what? Yesterday we got rejected and we took a profit here before the price went down. And guess what? We said if we hold above the 0.62 or above the 6-minute average, we're gonna see a retest, and next time we have to test below the $1, which is the 0.95, and we tested precisely and the price went down. So what we should expect, the price is still have a price momentum up 22%. So the moment that we overcome the $1, we're gonna see another explosion, and the next level of explosion will be until the $1.43. But we need to hold this technical level, $1.05. This will trigger another jump for IMPP, for my opinion, until the $1.43. So we did yesterday 30% or 45%, and today we did almost again 35%, and again the third day will be another 35% around the $1.43 if we hold above the $1.05. Next one we have INDO, and we have the price still continue to go down because right now we have a resistance around the 12. As we said in our pre-market update, if we don't overcome it, we're gonna have the price continue to go down. Confirming of short seller in control, we're gonna see the price continue to go down until this technical area, the $9.43, before we're gonna have a retest for that wall. So be careful, we're still inside this downtrending channel. The breakout should be first around the 12, and the second for confirmation for reversal and entering bullish trend is the 1597. If we go in undervalued stock and see Apple, for Apple right now testing double top around our exponential average. This is a really important level to overcome. If we go in the big picture for Apple, we can see that already tested our ascending line from below right now before acting as a support. If you go back, you see strong support we held so many times. The moment that we broke it for Apple around this area, the 13th of May, if you remember, the price went down heavily. Right now retest. So this is area around the 155 is the explosion and squeeze area for Apple to enter a bullish trend again. That's why the price went down the last few days, and right now holding kind of support to confirm the breaking the next time. So if we hold above the 144 this time, we're gonna see Apple go around the 100 and 55 and again around the 170. So if you want to load up on Apple, you have the opportunity to have a free share of Apple with my exclusive link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here, and when you open your account you can get $3 for free, of course. And again, you get other stocks with Apple. You can win Tesla, Google, or Fuel Energy, or Amazon, or DKNG. And of course, if you are living in US, there is a zero commission when you're trading US stocks. So use this opportunity and win your free share of Apple. So let's get right back to it and go to our list. We have Gamestop testing important resistance, which is, we talked about lately, the 157. Of course, you see, the moment when we test this resistance, the price went down. And again, what we should expect for Gamestop to overcome this 157 is holding above this technical support right now, above the 116. We need to hold this support in order to confirm there is a big buying pressure from institution and big buying from apes to overcome and do double top next time around the 200, which is the squeeze area for Gamestop. Last stock we covered today is Clean Energy, and you see how beautiful it is. We have a nice confirmed first support, second support, and third support, which is a bounce from this ascending line, confirming that we entered a bullish trend after this breaking point around the 18th of April, when we broke this ascending line and we entered a bearish momentum down until the $4. So what we should expect right now for Clean Energy, we have an important level to overcome to confirm entering a bullish trend, which is the 6.72 cent. Okay, the $6.72 for my opinion would be important turning point, because if we get rejected here, the price will go down around the $4 again. If we held this ascending line and break the $6.72, we're gonna have a retest around the $9.44. Tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming, so hit the notification so you never miss any of my future update for live streaming, which we do weekly around Friday, 7 p.m. Paris time. Bring your question and let's get ready to hunt. So see you in the next video.